Imagine a world where every mistake, no matter how small, can contaminate the very air you breathe. A world where the act of touching a dead animal or forgetting to observe a sacred day can taint not just your soul, but the community around you. This is the world of ancient Israel, as described in the biblical text, where the rituals of sacrifice and atonement were not just religious practices, but essential acts of purification and social cohesion. In this video, we will explore the profound significance of the offense or sin offering, a ritual that not only addresses personal guilt, but also restores the purity and harmony of the community. The concept of an offense offering is rooted in the belief that certain actions, even if unintentional, can defile the sacred space and disrupt the divine presence. In the ancient Near East, the sanctuary was the place where the divine and the human realms intersected. It was believed that any impurity could hinder this vital connection, leading to spiritual and communal decay. The offense offering, therefore, was a critical means of maintaining this sacred link. The ritual begins with the identification of the offender, whether it is the anointed priest, the entire community, a leader, or an individual. The first step is acknowledgment. This is not about public shaming, but about recognizing that a breach has occurred. The offender, or a representative, then brings a specific animal, usually a bull, goat, or sheep, depending on their status and the nature of the offense. The act of laying hands on the animal symbolizes the transfer of guilt from the person to the offering. The next step involves the ritual slaughter of the animal. This is not a violent act, but a sacred one, performed with reverence and precision. The blood of the animal, which was seen as the carrier of life, is then used in a series of symbolic actions. The priest dips his finger in the blood and sprinkles it 7 times before the Lord, a number that signifies completeness and perfection. The blood is also applied to the horns of the altar, which are often associated with power and protection. These actions symbolize the cleansing of the sanctuary and the restoration of the divine presence. The fat of the animal is then burned on the altar, sending a fragrant aroma to heaven. This act is a form of communication with the divine, a way of offering the purest part of the animal as a sign of contrition and repentance. The remaining parts of the animal are either burned outside the camp or used in further rituals, depending on the specific instructions for the type of offering. The offense offering is not just about personal atonement. It is about communal healing. When the high priest, the community, or a leader commits an offense, the entire community is affected. The rituals described in the text emphasize the interconnectedness of the people and the need for collective responsibility. By performing these rituals, the community not only cleanses itself of impurity, but also reaffirms its commitment to the divine covenant. Moreover, the offense offering is a reminder of the fallibility of human nature. Even the most pious and well-intentioned individuals can make mistakes. The rituals provide a structured and compassionate way to address these errors, ensuring that the community remains in a state of grace and favor with the divine. This is particularly important in a society where the relationship with the divine is the cornerstone of social order and identity. The offense offering also has practical implications for modern readers. While the specific rituals may no longer be practiced, the underlying principles of acknowledgment, repentance, and communal responsibility are still relevant. In a world where mistakes are often met with harsh judgment and condemnation, the concept of a ritual that offers a path to forgiveness and restoration is deeply comforting. It reminds us that we are all fallible, and that the act of seeking atonement can lead to healing and renewal. In conclusion, the offense offering is a powerful symbol of the ancient Israelite understanding of purity, community, and divine relationship. It teaches us that mistakes, when acknowledged and addressed with sincerity, can lead to profound transformation and reconciliation. In a world that often seems divided and polluted, the message of the offense offering is a timeless one, that through ritual and faith, we can restore harmony and find peace.